local doctor says COVID hospitalizations remain high, but they are leveling off. CW44's Casey Albritton tells us what experts are seeing at this point in the pandemic and what you need to know to approach the holidays.
Somewhere around late August, we saw some leveling out of the number of people we were admitting per day. Now, it doesn't mean we're in a great place. It just means at least the growth of the number of people wasn't going up as much.
Associate Medical Director for the Emergency Department at Tampa General Hospital and Associate Professor at USF Health, Dr. Jason Wilson, says right now almost 100 patients are hospitalized with COVID-19 at Tampa General.
10 admissions per day and kind of hanging more in that high single-digit range of admissions each day with COVID, a place where maybe we could withstand a little bit better.
He says it's a glimpse of hope.
That gives you some guarded optimism, I would say, that maybe for now we're kind of moving into a different phase again of this pandemic.
He says although not as many people are coming into the hospital with COVID-19 compared to a month ago, hospitalizations are still very high.
If you look at a year ago, that would have been seen as a very high number. And so the perspective, as you look at those graphs, of course, where there's like a mountain here now, and there used to be a little hill here, we thought that hill was the mountain, right? And you climb over that mountain, you look, and there's Mount Everest.
Dr. Wilson says Tampa General Hospital is still having to use other areas of the building for COVID-19 treatment. And if people don't take steps to protect themselves, that won't change.
We're going to keep on having the same conversation every couple of months until we get our vaccination numbers to be very, very high.
And as we get closer to the holidays, Dr. Wilson says right now it's hard to predict how the pandemic will look, but it's better to be cautious and follow CDC guidelines for now.
And be really flexible, which is really frustrating when you're trying to figure out how do I schedule time off work or how do I plan for a family event. It's only, 2 months, 2 months away now.
In Pinellas County, Casey Albritton, CW44 News at 10.
The Buccaneers